Hi all, how are you doing? Hope you're doing great wherever you are in the world. So, I'm going to talk about a little bit about Internet Computer Protocol, ICP. A lot of other YouTubers have been talking about it recently, and I've kind of jumped on the bandwagon somewhat because I've suddenly sort of had a aha moment, I think. And to me, this protocol is really massive. Um, what it seems to be trying to do is basically create a better internet, which can only be a good thing. So if we have a look at the internet computer price today, it's up 1% and it's going pretty decently. I've got a few, I've not got much of this because I've only just sort of recently bought it again. I've had it in the past. Um, I mean, some of you may be thinking, oh God, John, you're crazy. It used to be $450 or something like that. And it's down 99.95% or whatever it is. You know, if you look at the all-time graph, yeah, $428 and it's now at 3.1. It's like so far down, it's ridiculous kind of thing. It's never coming back. It's a dead coin and all of that. And I get your point of view. Okay. You know, I bought in quite high up and then I managed to sell. Okay. So I didn't get too big a loss. I didn't buy that much. At the time, I didn't have a clue about it, to be honest with you. It was just another token. And I've only just started really looking at it recently. And the thing is really exciting, I've got to say. It's got a lot of utility, which I'll show you in a bit. Okay. So if we have a look at, if you go to internetcomputer.org, okay, and then if you look at, say, the use case, if you look at the ICP ecosystem, and you've got all these, you know, you see, you've got SocialFi 32, Bitcoin, DAO, but all projects 150, 165, and it's got a lot of programmers who are creating more projects. So if you just sort of go through the ecosystem and have a look at some of the stuff. So here, this is like decentralized Web3 social. So what all of this is like on chain. So they're not using like Amazon web servers and stuff like that to hold data and that kind of thing. It's all on chain, or most of it is on chain. Now, some of the stuff maybe they got the video content is somewhere else, and they're just linking to it on certain things. But a lot of this, a big chunk of it, is on chain. All right, so it's not relying on another company that can just sort of pull your access to it kind of thing. It's on chain, you see. So that's the whole thing about it that's so great. So this looks like some sort of what is this now? Social media platform that allows communities to form into groups called portals. These portals can be NFT gated, airdrop, fungible, and non blah blah blah. Also allows for tipping, posting a growing number of cryptos supporting wrap kind of Bitcoin, a Bitcoin twin living on the internet computer. Try it. So you can go along to that. So you got like a whole thing on that. There's just loads of these projects. So this is like a swap. It's like a DEX. Here you got funded. So this is like crowdfunding. All right. So crowdfunding. Dmail, I guess that's like equivalent of Gmail. I see DEX, a flagship order book DEX that runs. So another DEX. Open chat. So that's a little bit like Telegram. Okay, and you got chat tokens. So the thing about this is you can get paid in chat tokens as well, you see. So rather than you just typing on Twitter or something like that and not getting anything for it, you can get some chat tokens, you see. Hot or not is a bit like, oh God, what's it called now? What's the quick video format? Not YouTube. The other one, I've forgotten its bloody name. I don't go on it anyway, as you can tell. All right, you know which one I'm talking about. So there's like videos on there, and what I saying about that, hot or not, the actual videos are not on chain. Okay, so they're gonna have to work out how to put the videos on chain. What's this now? Incubating DeFi development framework. Okay, so that's like a technical stuff. Sonic is a DEX end-to-end on the psychedelic DAO currently run by Meme Cake enables users to swap tokens. Okay, so automatic money maker, is it? Market maker. they have this reverse gas model. Okay, so you don't pay a load of gas fees. District. So this one I have joined up. So this is a bit like Twitter, and it's a lot cleaner. Okay, so I can just go to that. District. So you see, you're sort of joining on chain, and that's why it's taking a little bit of time to get onto it, but not too long. It's not a big deal. Will eventually come up. Okay, so log in. Okay, and I've got like a number. Put in my PIN. Remind me later. Okay. And there we go. I've got a little thingy there. And Jerry Banfield. So this is the other YouTuber I've been watching. He's basically all in on ICP because of the stuff he's been reading. So he's ahead of me, kind of thing. But I think I'll be catching up with the amount of reading that I'm going to be doing. But he's really excited about ICP. He's basically saying he's all in it, basically. So this is the equivalent of like Twitter, basically. But you can see it's really nice and clean. Okay. Let's just get rid of this thing a minute. Make that a bit smaller. But imagine the way Twitter's going to go. Elon Musk, it's privatized. You're going to have to pay $7 or a month or whatever it is. This is going to be free, and also, you can get like he's getting rewarded and stuff like that. Get some tips and stuff. So this post is so you tweet something or not tweet. You make a post and you can get rewarded in ICP, things like that. So you're getting rewarded for your content. So that's called District. As you can see, it's very similar to Twitter, but I just think it's very clean, very professional. You've got like a search there. You get the mobile app. So that's District, and you just got loads of these things. Cross chain, so some messaging. So I guess that's a bit like WhatsApp or something, is it? EVM, so Ethereum Virtual Machine Networks to the Internet Computer. The Origin Foundation blending luxury goods with NFTs by providing digital verification for physical objects. So if you think about VET, the VET token does stuff with that. So this is, that's that version, which are probably going to be cheaper than VET. Yeah, I mean, I've spoken about 10 things now. See, there's 165 apps which are really, really good, that do big things, kind of thing. All right, but it's just small time at the moment because people aren't really knowing this is here to some degree. That's the thing. You've only got like 24,000 posts, kind of thing. Fully on chain. This is the thing. It's all on chain. This is the way it's going to go. There you go. No Ponzonomics. Tagger has a sustainable tokenomics model that rewards quality posts and removes incentives to spam. So SocialFi network. Internet identity is a privacy-enhancing authentication framework for applications on the Internet computer. It provides users with easy-to-use and secure anonymizing login to Web3 services running on ICP without being tracked across dApps. Okay. So is that something to do with like know your customer type thing? Okay. Me Wallet, securing your assets with speed, Braze across any devices. Okay. Signals is a location-based chat app for making connections, creating communities, and discovering events. Okay, I guess that's somewhat like Eventbrite, maybe? Something like that. Staked ICP. Okay, so you can stake. Oops, where is it now? Okay, so I haven't got any here at the moment. I bought some ICP. It's actually on my Binance account. But I'm going to take it off Binance and put it on here, and I'll probably do a video of how I move it onto here. So basically you can stake for up to 8 years and you get about 16%. So at the moment, if you're in the UK or a lot of countries, you can't stake. So here you could get some ICP and stake your tokens for up to 8 years. And then you get voting rights and stuff after like 6 months. So you can vote on proposals and stuff like that, whatever. You probably don't understand half of them. I won't understand them either. Okay, so you can vote on various proposals, but also by putting your tokens, staking your tokens, you're maintaining the network. Plug, I don't know what that is exactly. Browser extension. There's just loads. I mean, I've hardly touched on anything, and this is just getting bigger and bigger. Okay, so they have these things called canisters, which is basically smart contracts. And I think the cost of hold a minute. Let's click send. See, there you go. Transaction fee 0.0001 ICP. ICP is about $3 per ICP. So, you know, that's really tiny transaction fees. And it's also really fast as well. So this is like my first video, I think, that I've done on ICP. And I'm really impressed with it. I'm going to do a lot more. I mean, I'm going to look into a lot of these apps and things like that. But it's just so massive, guys. I'm just so bowled over by it. All right. Other stuff, by comparison, like, you know, Ada and stuff like that, Cardano, they just don't seem to have as much stuff on there. I mean, this is just trying to recreate the internet in a better way. You know, it's on chain rather than using AWS and things like that. Yeah, so you got here, this is an amazing world inhabited by humans, dwarves, orcs, and elves. Okay, so kind of fantasy land. Infinity swap, what's this going to be? Some sort of NFT? Platforms create, stake, and swap tokens on the internet computer. Okay, so another swap. Swapping your tokens, so decentralized swap. Oh yeah, you got this boom down. It's like a sort of game thing. All right. There's just so much, guys. I think I'm going to do more videos on this as I go forward every now and again. But I think ICP has got a really good future. You know, if you look at the tokenomics, they're bad at the moment. Okay, so I think anyway, if I'm reading this right, so there's like circulating supply, 446 million ICP tokens, fully diluted market cap. Okay, is 1.5. Oh no, that's $1.5 billion. Okay, no, sorry, what am I talking about? Okay, so actually it's correct. I'm wrong there. Okay. Circulating supply is 446 million. The total supply, hold on, it says max supply is infinity, so I'm not sure. Not sure what the maximum supply is. So yeah, the tokenomic, you know, it depends if it kind of burns stuff. I'm not totally up to speed on this yet, but I am excited by it. Okay. It says there 446 million circulating supply and total supply is 508. So you've only got sort of 62 million to go. So that would seem like 80, whatever, 6% is kind of out there. And maybe it only goes another 14% is going to get released. So that's not too bad, actually. That is pretty good. So, yeah, ICP, I definitely think it's something to, you know, if you have a look at where it was, then I think this thing could easily 10x from here. And maybe, you know, whatever. Can it get back to here again? Possibilities. But I'm not a financial expert or anything like that. So, advisor. So I'm not going to say what it is, what it can do, but if it's at 3, there's a very good chance it can get to 30. Let's put it like that. Okay, so and also you can stake it, get 16%, and you can do it from like 6 months to 8 years. So you can choose if you want to stake it for like 2 years or something like that. You think about where the bull run's going to finish in 2025, something like that. Maybe you stake it for 2 years or something like that. I don't know. The token can go up 10 times, and also you got more tokens. So just an idea. Tell me what you think of ICP. I know, you know, it's got its detractors and things like that, but a lot of people are saying it's a lot better than Sol and a lot better than Cardano and things like that. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. I've waffled a bit too much already, so but I'm hoping to do some more videos and look at specific apps and stuff in the future.